detector. Red alert.
Interceptors, immediate launch. Interceptors, immediate launch.
Alert the mobiles.
428-1463.
Around 2005, Product Enterprise launched a new series of die-cast models. These models were based on the TV series UFO. In total, 5 die-cast sets were produced. 3 of these 5 sets were the Shadow mobiles. The Shadow Control mobile features a roof-mounted radar dish. The model also has quite a lot of spotty weathering detail applied. The Shadow 1 mobile includes a roof-mounted rocket launcher and roof-mounted gun. Again, the spotty weathering detail can be easily seen. By comparison, the Shadow 2 mobile has no roof detailing added. This model does, however, benefit from much better weathering detail. The next die-cast set included the Shadow Interceptor model and the UFO saucer. My personal favourite of this series is the final example here, Skydiver. Skydiver comprised of 2 main elements, submarine to the rear and a front-mounted interceptor fighter called Sky 1. In the TV series, submarine would tilt to a 45-degree angle and allow Sky 1 to launch from an underwater position and intercept UFOs in Earth's atmosphere. I hope you enjoyed having a brief look at these models. Thanks for watching, see you again soon.